Come with us on a hike to one of the best waterfalls in the Lower Mainland, Steelhead Falls in Mission, BC. Hey everyone, my name is Murray and I make travel content. Like and save this video for your next adventure and subscribe for more things to do. Steelhead Falls is located near Hayward Lake in Mission, BC, just past the Powerhouse Bridge. You can look for the Hayward Reservoir Trail and Steelhead Falls parking lot in Google Maps to find your way. It's a pretty popular hike. We got there on a Saturday morning in July at 10:30 and the parking lot was starting to fill up. The hike to the actual falls is quite short, maybe 20 or 30 minutes, so it's pretty easy. However, there are some steep sections and loose rocks, so you want to make sure you wear the right shoes for the job and take it easy in those sections. The Hayward Trail actually goes around the entire perimeter of Hayward Lake, so if you're not paying attention, you might miss this little sign for the turnoff for the falls. We had a bit more time, so we decided to do more of the hike before turning back and making our way to the falls. The trail is nice and well maintained. It's littered with bridges and stairs and some very nice views of the lake. The terrain's mixed. There's some rooty sections, some narrow sections, so you want to be careful around that. But I would say it's pretty easy and fun for the whole fam jam. Once you get to the waterfall, you'll see that it's absolutely gorgeous. There's a couple of lookout points where you can go and see it in all its glory and get your selfie on. Depending on the time of year, it can get quite raging, but it was pretty mild this day, so we decided to head down and take a closer look. Now, I don't know if this is allowed or not, so I can't recommend it, but I can tell you though that upon closer inspection, it is indeed a waterfall. So if you're looking for a nice little break to get out in nature and see what happens when water meets gravity, come check out Steelhead Falls in Mission, BC. Thanks for watching, and if you're looking for other fun things to do, check out my channel. Peace!